Hi sophomores, I'm going to take you through a short tutorial today to show you how to use our new online textbook called StudySync. This is going to be an important resource for you this year, whether you are a virtual student or whether you're attending class in person. So what I'm looking at right now are the instructions for today, Wednesday, August 19th. You'll see that in the Learn It section, it says that you're going to watch a short video titled Learn It Using StudySync to learn how to access lessons from our online textbook. That is what you are watching right now. This is the video we want you to watch. After you watch this video, you're going to then go into the textbook and actually access the first lesson. What you will do every time you have a lesson in our online textbook, you'll need to read the lesson title. And it tells you this in the directions. So for example, today's lesson in the online textbook is called Spotlight, Engaging in Discourse. You need the name of that lesson before you actually go into the online textbook. So let me show you how to access the online textbook. I'm going to go to my English 2 course. And so this course, I haven't added anything quite yet, but what you will see is that down here on the left, you see something called McGraw-Hill K-12 SSO. And this is what I want to explain. McGraw-Hill is the name of the company that has produced this textbook. When we refer to it as StudySync, StudySync is the online platform for this textbook. So you can access everything that McGraw-Hill has created through the online platform called StudySync. And so if you see in the directions for the day that you need to do a StudySync lesson, you will come over here to the McGraw-Hill icon. You will all have this in your English 2 course. You are going to click on the icon one time and it takes you to this page. You're going to say Launch App. Once you launch the app, you don't need a username or login information. All of that is already filtered through Schoology. So if you click on the McGraw-Hill icon in Schoology and you say Launch App, it will automatically take you here. Now, this is my teacher page, so I have several courses. You're going to need to select Launch for whichever virtual course is listed for English 2A. A means fall semester. It's possible that you will see, for example, English 2B. That means spring semester. So launch the course that is connected to English 2A, say launch, and when it launches, you have now opened StudySync, which is our online textbook. You shouldn't need to log in. It should all be done automatically. It says, welcome back, Virginia Babcock. So that's me. It should say welcome back, and then your name should be here. Now, up here, a really important tab for you is going to be assignments. You're going to click on assignments, and you'll see that as a teacher, I have already loaded 3 assignments for you guys. This is why you need to know the name of the assignment that you're supposed to be looking for. So you'll see that assignment that we talked about for today is called Spotlight, Engaging in Discourse. And it says who created it. So I created it because I'm your teacher. It tells you when the start date is and when the end date is. Now, if you start this late, for example, if you don't start this until 8:21, it is going to be a late assignment, but I have it set up so you can still access it. To open the assignment, you're going to click on this link here and it will take you to the assignment. Now this is a list of all of my students, but you're going to actually see the assignment when you click on the assignment. And you would want to be sure that you have read through the directions, and I'll pull those directions back up again. You'll want to be sure that you have read through the directions so that you know what sections you need to work on. Now, the only sections your teachers should want you to work on should already be loaded. Oh, that's the wrong day. Hang on, here we go. They should be loaded, but you want to cross-check. And so, for example, in the Learn It instructions for the day, it says that you're going to begin in the Define section. After that, you're going to work on vocab, the model section, the Your Turn section. When you do the Share It section, or the shared instructions, you'll go to the Write section in StudySync. And then when you get to Prove It, you actually have an exit ticket assignment in Schoology that'll look like this. So you do need to be sure that you're reading those instructions that are listed in your Schoology course very carefully so that you're not missing anything. So keep in mind, McGraw-Hill and StudySync are the same thing. The only difference is that StudySync is the online version of the textbook. And the way you access it is over here on the left-hand side of your course. You're going to click on the icon that says McGraw-Hill. Please let your teacher know if you have any questions. Have a great day, guys.